here we are at Hawaii.
I know, we're finally here.
That girl has no clothes on.
Ah! Hey, Flower, do you want to go take a swim?
Yes, let's go. Hawaii is the best.
Have you been here before?
Maybe.
Ooh, so you know a lot about this place then.
Yeah, I heard. My dad told me this, but this land used to be owned by mermaids.
And what does this water even do?
It's just regular water.
Huh?
Whoa, whoa. What?
What?
Oh. I'm a mermaid.
We're mermaids! I can't believe it!
I'm swimming super fast.
I can't. I can't believe we're mermaids. Wait. Let's try this. Whoa! Look at that! I transformed back.
I transformed back.
Huh?
I think my back is broken.
I'm transforming again.
Marigold, let's go to my house.
Okay.
How are you walking on me?
I don't know.
This way. Marigold is this way. Marigold, this way.
I think I broke my back.
Same.
Why does my hair look so much more ombre than it does in Brookhaven?
I don't know. I'm just gonna walk underneath this house.
Is this yours?
Nope. My house is right here.
Oh, it's this pink one? I don't know why, but our names are above of us, and mine's pronounced as Mary G. Here's the bathroom. I'm so happy to be in the 5th season. It's almost done. The show's almost done. I don't know.
I'm gonna sit here. How is my body going through plastic?
Let me try this.
Some girls in my house.
Ew, why am I walking so weird after transforming into a mermaid? How is my leg seeping through plastic?
I have no clue. But it looks cool when you sit on the counter. It looks like you're just waiting for food.
Why is there some random girl in this house?
I don't know. I'm gonna go back to the water.
Oh yeah, let's get some more mermaid Where'd you go?
Look, I have a river behind my house.
Oh. Hoi!
I'm under the sea. Under the sea.
Whoa! Under the sea. Under the sea. Ah, damn, that's a classic. I can't get out! just transformed back.
It
Flower,
was-
are you able to get out? Hey,
I'm stuck.
let me try and get you.
I'm stuck like
Do you have speed swim on?
I'm right back. I'm gonna find a flat area.
Flower, I don't think there is any flat areas. What?
I found one. Yeah, I made it out.
Yeah.
Alright.
How are you able to walk?
Huh?
How are you able to walk like that? Why are you
I
still
don't
a
know, I'm not
mermaid?
sure.
Shouldn't you be human again?
I know, right? What? What is this thing?
Try and go into the water again. See if you'll transform back right after you're out of the water.
This one just says. This one just says.
Fidget spinners. Try and go to the water again.
I made it to it.
Why aren't you letting me?
Somewhere around. Not me. Weird.
I can't go through that invisible wall.
It's
Alright.
not me.
Try and go back into the water. See? And once you get out, you can transform back into your human self.
I made it back in. I am stuck like a mermaid forever. Oh no, wait. Without water, I will.
What happened? Flower! Flower?
Without water, I die. Without water, I. Oof.
I want to go swim to Flower.
I'll be right there. I'll come back.
Coming, Flower. I dropped it again now. It keeps falling. Oh no, okay.
I'm back
Flower,
at
where are
the
you?
water fountain. I'm at the water fountain.
Alright, I'm coming.
Don't turn into a mermaid.
I just transformed back from being a mermaid.
Weird. Anyways, I'm going to my house.
Alright, then I best be going back there then.
Yep.
Which one is yours again? The blue one?
No, the pink one.
Where's your house, Flower? I'm jumping in the water so I don't transform.
Where are you?
Why did I just transform back into a mermaid? I jumped in the water. Okay, now I'm de-transforming real quick. Where are you?
I'm by the graveyard.
can't find your house.
Weird.
Your house is like demolished.
Marigold, I did not get how you are able to do that.
I feel like I broke my back.
Well, my back is back to normal. Look, see?
Should I try the bed, see if my
Back to
back will
normal.
turn back to normal? No, it just stays the same. Why does my back like this?
Well, it's probably because when I was cooking and I was out of water, I died.
Well, at least, can you still turn into a mermaid? I'm like stuck like this, like.
Okay, so Marigold, she did. Well, I'll just wait for her in my house. Did you pause?
Flower? Why are the random girls coming into our house?
I'm going back to see. Wait, how are you already back alive?
I don't know how. Well, tomorrow we go back to Brookhaven.
Yeah.
Are you kind of sad we're leaving
I'm
Hawaii?
gonna miss being a mermaid. Yeah, and I'm also gonna really miss being a mermaid.
Yeah, it was fun having to be able to swim as a mermaid, but well, we should probably get packing.
No, you have to chase me.
Well, do you want to swim as a mermaid for a final time?
Yes. But let's go to the beach, not the...
Yeah, that's last time. That water's probably poisonous water for mermaids. Let's hope it doesn't poison us and not have a stay as a mermaid. And I'm a mermaid.
I'm swimming really fast.
I can't believe that we're actually able to be a mermaid. Whoa, grass!